All right, Unit 10, Lesson 7 homework. Find the length of each arc. I want to find the length of the arc basically that goes from here all the way around the one that was highlighted in black. Now notice that we are excluding part of the circumference of the circle here. I don't want to include this part of the circumference. So first of all, you need to know the circumference formula, which circumference equals 2 pi r. And so I know the radius, so 2 times pi times 11 would give me the whole circumference. But I'm not looking for the whole circumference, I'm only looking for a portion of it. And that portion is 315 degrees out of the total 360 degrees. So I'm going to multiply that by the portion I'm looking for, 315 out of 360. If this bothers you, you can certainly reduce that fraction, but if you just multiply all of this together, you will get the length of that arc. That's your arc length. Just make sure you round to the nearest tenth. Question number 2 is the same. You're just plugging in 270 and 13 instead. So I want to go ahead and look at, actually question 3 is pretty much the same. I'm going to look at question 4. Question 4 says, a wedge-shaped piece of pizza is cut from a circular pizza. And so here's my pizza. I'm cutting it into certain sections. I don't know how many sections there are, so I'm just going to draw a wedge. It says that this length of the crust basically is 4.2 inches. And the radius of my pizza is 6 inches. And I want to find this angle in the middle. How big is this angle? That's what I'm looking for. So let's call that angle x. And let's remember circumference equals 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times the radius, 6, times the number of degrees out of 360. Now we don't know the number of degrees, so I'm going to use x there, over 360 should give me my arc length, which is 4.2. And you are going to solve this now on your own. And so you can solve by multiplying 2 times pi times 6, and I would multiply 360 times 4.2, and then divide to get your x value. Again, pay attention to what you need to round to the nearest tenth of an inch, and you should be good. All right, so this is a good start. Let's see if you can finish it.